Today we are going to make a CD hovercraft. For this we need a cap with a nozzle, a balloon pump, duct tape and an old CD. First we are going to stick the bottle cap to the CD using duct tape. Let's fill air in the balloon using the balloon pump. Now let's connect the balloon to the CD. Tell you what just happened. Due to friction, the CD moves slowly. But when I open the nozzle, it forms a small air cushion which makes it glide smoothly. Now let's try it.